Top 15 B2B Leads Databases. All you need to know, updated. AnyBiz. Over 70% of B2B marketers use lead databases, making them vital for sales and engagement. This video covers their reliability, benefits, and why AI tools like AnyBiz may be superior. B2B Leads Databases streamline outreach and boost lead generation by helping sales and marketing teams. When choosing one, ensure data accuracy, completeness, and relevance. Trust and reliability are essential for B2B Leads databases, as accurate data drives effective marketing. Reliable databases use trusted sources and regular updates. Poor quality databases can waste resources and lead to legal issues. Companies should evaluate sourcing and updates before purchase and monitor campaign performance for accuracy. B2B Leads databases help sales, marketing, and business development teams with targeted insights and new opportunities. They support startups and SMEs in competing and aid companies entering new markets. Key industries include technology, manufacturing, financial services, healthcare, and consulting. Top 15 Best B2B Leads Databases. 1. Apollo.io provides sales intelligence tools and a large B2B contact database to improve lead targeting. However, users report data accuracy issues, so verification is recommended. 2. LinkedIn Sales Navigator helps users find leads on LinkedIn, offering insights on job roles and mutual contacts with CRM integration. However, it has high costs and a steep learning curve, and its effectiveness depends on the quality of LinkedIn data. Users should weigh its value against their budget. 3. Casper provides real-time contact information from LinkedIn, aiding salespeople and recruiters. Its integration allows easy access to emails and phone numbers, but data accuracy may vary. Users should validate contact details for reliability. 4. Cognism is a B2B Leads database that uses AI for predictive analytics, helping sales teams optimize lead identification and outreach timing. It integrates with popular CRM systems but may have issues with data accuracy and freshness. Users should verify contact details to ensure effective marketing and sales efforts. 5. Lucia helps salespeople and recruiters access LinkedIn contact information via a browser extension. It's user-friendly and accurate but raises privacy concerns and occasional data accuracy issues. Users should be mindful of privacy regulations. 6. ZoomInfo is a leading B2B Leads database offering extensive contact and company details, including phone numbers and emails. It provides intent data for outreach, but can be costly for smaller companies, with potential data overload and outdated information requiring validation. 7. Adapt is a B2B Leads database with a user-friendly interface and extensive contact information. It integrates well with CRM systems, but users report accuracy issues. While it offers substantial data, it may lack depth compared to competitors like ZoomInfo, requiring additional validation. Overall, it's a solid choice for building contact databases. 8. Uplead is a B2B Leads database with real-time email verification for accurate contact information. It excels in data accuracy, but may lack depth in niche markets compared to ZoomInfo. While useful for reliable contacts, niche sectors might require additional sources. 9. GetProspect is a B2B lead generation tool that provides verified LinkedIn contact information for email marketing. It features list-building tools, but may have limited data scope and CRM integration. Overall, it's effective for reliable contact lists. 10. Clearbit is a B2B data enrichment tool that offers real-time updates on leads, integrating with CRM and marketing systems for accurate contact details and company insights. While it enhances lead intelligence, its cost may be a concern for startups, and setup requires technical expertise. 11. Hunter.io is a tool for sourcing and verifying email addresses for outreach. It offers accurate emails and job titles, plus verification to minimize bounce rates. However, it lacks broader business insights, making additional tools necessary for comprehensive analysis. 12. Seamless.ai is a B2B Leads database offering real-time access to millions of connections. Its AI-driven updates ensure accurate information, aiding sales teams in engaging prospects. However, it may have a learning curve and occasional data freshness issues, requiring active management. 13. RocketReach connects users to around 450 million professionals worldwide, providing detailed contact information for effective outreach. While powerful for networking, its pricing may be high for startups, and users should regularly verify data due to changing roles. 14. 6sense leverages AI and big data to predict buying intent, aiding targeted sales and marketing efforts. While it offers valuable tools, its complexity and cost may be challenging for small businesses. Overall, it improves targeting and conversion but requires significant investment. 15. LeadIQ simplifies B2B lead capture with a LinkedIn integrated browser plugin for real-time data entry. While great for initial contact management, it lacks deep analytics and may require manual data checks. Ideal for automating lead management, but additional tools might be needed for insights. AI tools revolutionize sales and marketing by quickly analyzing data for deeper insights and real-time updates, offering personalized strategies. However, they require advanced skills and higher costs, making them more complex than traditional databases. AnyBiz revolutionizes B2B lead generation through advanced AI technology, streamlining sales processes and enhancing efficiency. With AI sales agents automating outreach, they analyze data to identify potential clients and craft personalized messages, boosting engagement. The platform engages prospects across various channels, including LinkedIn, while managing all communications, allowing sales teams to focus on closing deals. By automating the identification, engagement, and nurturing of leads, AnyBiz significantly improves conversion rates. Experience the difference with a 7-day free trial today. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.